Hey guys, it's Brian from SpookYouLaterz. Today's October 21st, 2023. I'm here at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. It's been a minute or two, about 3 weeks, maybe 4, I'm not really sure. But tomorrow's my birthday, October 22nd. Holy smokes, I have never seen this place so packed. There's not even preferred parking. I had to park all the way at the entrance, way down there. But I'm gonna make a video here for you, endure the crowds, and I'm gonna try to make this an ASMR video. I'm gonna try to keep my mouth shut and just kind of get the sights and the sounds of Fright Fest, but you know, we'll see how that happens. All right, come inside with me.
Welcome to Fright Fest 2023.
Welcome to Fright Fest 2023.
Here at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas, right?
Oh.
Yeah, boom. Yeah, this place is absolutely packed. It's probably one of the most packed I've ever seen it, and it's only what, going to be 6, I guess. And I don't see myself doing haunted houses tonight. Not like this, no way. But more power to them, man. But we're gonna get some scares and things like that tonight. We're gonna see what's new around the park. This is probably my last weekend here for Fright Fest, so we gotta try to make the best of it, man. There's Lethal Lily right here. She's just chilling out, man. With their toad. Let's see if we see some Kid Flash in action. Yeah, don't hold me to it, but I believe it's been about 3 weeks since I've been here last, and this is like a major improvement. I mean, this thing is up and ready to go. They got the queue line, they got the pavers down. Man, they got everything. It's ready to go. I'm sure some final testing, and from what I heard, possibly next weekend, but we'll see. All right, so there you go. And I know if you've seen Quirky Coaster Couple, Amusement Source, they've all given you some updates. Dark Dimensions Haunted House and Squeezing. But yeah, this thing looks good. From their videos, this thing lights up the whole dang park, man. I like how they put the bug right here, man. This is really cool. I don't know if they extended Scarezone, but it looks good there. Look at all these decals they put up over here. You got Chucky, Pennywise, Freddy. It says Freddy's coming for you. I'm not sure if you can see it. We got Ghostface. How cool. Look at the line comes out on half of these restaurants. I haven't ate all day. I wanted to eat, but that don't look like that's going to happen at all or anytime soon. I could use the app, but it is what it is. insane tonight. It is loaded with folks.
Your attention, please. Now arriving in Crack Axle Canyon, the Six Flags Fiesta Texas Railroad.
This is crazy. Hi, this is nuts. Dang, those are cool looking. I ain't seen those ones before. Damn, he's sure I'll take a bite. Holy shit, this place is packed. This is insane. Absolutely insane. What's up, brother? It's good to see you, man. Oh, damn. She cussed.
That's nice. Thank you. Thank you for that.
It's nuts. Absolute nuts. Chaos. It is chaos. Hey! I'm just walking on by. Hold on 1 second, buddy. She's like right there. I think your friend left. They fell. I don't think the camera caught that, but yeah, that was excellent. Those 2 girls fell down. What's up, Leah? A sacrifice. They both went. Stop, drop, and roll. That's what they did. They done fire drills.
I will never Okay, look, okay. Yeah, I understand. Okay.
Yo, man, just left your ass. Hey, oh, shit. That's a cockroach. Oh, thank you. It's beautiful. Can I keep it? Oh, I always remember this. Hi, sunshine. I'm gonna stand right here until somebody kicks me out.
We missed you, Brian.
I know, it's been a while.
This is Hot Pocket.
Hot Pocket. I'm hungry, man. I came to eat and I ain't eating shit.
You would love Baconator.
I think I might need some of that, man. I'm hungry.
I know you.
Oh. How you doing, man? You're awesome. Here they come. So dramatic, man. Rock on, man. How y'all know I'm over here?
Come on, Mom. We're almost there. Come on,
I'm so sorry.
I apologize.
Oh my God! Oh, she got me.
Oh shit. This is insane, brother. She's a creeper. It is nuts.
You've been gone for a long time.
I know, right?
What were you doing visiting the ones up north? Obviously leaving the superior place.
Well, I'm back, baby.
again, my dog will be out there.
Oops, sorry. Are y'all still staring at each other? I left and y'all was still staring. Oh, y'all try to get me. What's up, players? Oh, dang. That was smaller than Oscar. Oh, walked right into it. those are tough ones. What the hell is she doing? Oh, I thought she was hanging on the fence. I thought you was hanging on the fence there. What the? Oh shit. It does look good. What's up? It looks good though in here, for reals. The ambiance. She all right?
Pardon?
She okay?
Oh yeah, no, she's
Okay.
just curious about things and she's like, no, don't touch.
Yeah, there we go. Keep our hands to ourselves. The monsters won't get you.
Yep. And I'm not paying for that stuff.
Exactly, right? Oh, Smokies.
Please don't get us. No, she loves this kind of thing.
This is the best stuff. Best time of the year, and then Christmas next. All day in the park. It's the funnest thing, huh?
She has a no for you. She wanted to go in the slingshot.
Oh,
And I said she's too short for it.
yeah. Unfortunately, you gotta get a little taller.
She's not, but I'm too short for it.
Yeah, they don't know. She's like, hi. Oh, snap.
She felt you.
They're like, what's up? That was excellent.
Oh, I thought it was a monkey.
I better go.
I got richer than
She's still here?
I see you, bro. No, not again. I hate bugs. I hate bugs. I hate bugs. I hate
That was good. Sorry. Is absolutely packed. You can't do absolutely nothing. It's crowded beyond crowded. I'm starving, haven't ate. I wanted to eat here, but the lines are like a mile long everywhere. So I'm gonna try to get one more night scares during the week. But I got some stuff, so hopefully you guys like it. Until next time, see you later.